Scouting is only useful when you can use the data for insights. This video is part of a 3-part series where I'll show you how to use VScouter to do analysis and import it into Power BI. We'll go over visualizing team performance, spotting trends, and using scouting data to make smarter decisions. By the end, you'll be able to turn raw numbers into winning strategies. Let's get started. So to start, you need to access the analysis folder at the GitHub. So here, it will be analysis, and then you want to download the VScouter 2025 analysis.pbix file. So you just want to click on it, click the download button, and it'll be downloaded. So looking at the downloads folder, now we have both the full data we had and the Power BI file we just downloaded. So what you want to do is move them both into a folder, and you should know the location of this folder. So here I just have it here in this place. So what you want to do is rename your data to VScouter full data.csv. So then now what you want to do is open your Power BI file. So when VScouter loads in, what you want to do is click the transform data button right in the middle of the top row. So here what you will do is to input the data that is in the folder where you have the Power BI file and the CSV file with your scouting data. You would just put it here. Oops. So this is where mine is located, but you would put where it is located in your machine. So all you need to do next is just click close and apply in the top left. So it will update, and then what you want to do is now you have all of your analysis ready to be used. So walking through the different pages, this is our home page where we can just see different things we want. So if you would like, you could fold these columns so you don't need to look at all of them. So this is our home page where you can have different buttons. To click the buttons to the different dashboards and pages, instead of clicking it, you have to control click. So looking at the first one, the game dashboard. These will show a graph where the blue box is either the maximum or the minimum, while the diamond, the orange diamond, is the median. So this will be the top 5 teams in here, for example, the total points, or here their auto points or teleop points. Or if you're looking for a coral or algae specific bot, you can also look at them. And if you just don't want the top 5, you can control click again this button in the corner of each graph, and you can see all of the teams in the dataset. But let's say you're up in a line selection and, well, a team has already been picked and you don't want to see them. So let's say, for example, team 509. What you do is go in the filters column, go look at filters on all pages, and then select team. And then here you would see the different teams. So let's say 509 got picked, or they're ranked above us. So what you do is you would just simply click on them and they'll disappear from the graphs because you no longer want to see their data. And let's say that that didn't happen and you want to see their data across all of the separate graphs. So you would select on 509 and you can see that 509 on each of the graphs are highlighted. So the next page is the team abilities page. So here you're able to see, well, I just want to see like if you would like to see what a team can do. So just straight out the data. So you're able to see the auto and teleop medians for L3 to L1 here, and then also their shallow climb and deep climb success rate, how many algae they usually put on median they put in the processor, as well as the net, as well as making net shots. And then here in the bottom right, we select which team we want. So you can select like this, just clicking. So then moving to the next page, the team performance over time. So here, similar to the other statistics, we have the total score, auto score, teleop score, their coral score, and their algae score. But this time, they're all over time. So we're able to see how this team progressed based in each of their matches. So here in the top right, we can select what team we want. So you could just, again, like the team abilities page, just in a drop down like that. And then our next pages are those which were featured in the game dashboard, but again, everyone on the graph. And then here also on these, we can see that they have the team number also featured on top of them, so you could easily read them. So next, we have the teleop points, the algae points, and the coral points. And then finally, the last graph is to see your top scouters. So to see which scouters scouted which match and how many they did. And that's how you turn your scouting data into a competitive advantage. By analyzing the data, you can provide your insight for the top performing teams, predict match outcomes, and make informed strategic decisions. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or reach out to me in the comments. So don't forget to share this with your scouting team, and thanks for watching, and good luck this season.